Hi friends, what's up? This is our iPhone 360 reader. It's time to learn how to change download location in Safari on iPhone and iPad. By default, all the downloaded files in Safari are saved to iCloud Drive. Hence, you can easily access and manage the files across iDevices. However, you have the desired flexibility to change the download location depending on your needs. That said, let me show you how it's done the quick way. First and foremost, open the Settings app on your iPhone or iPad. Now scroll down and select Safari. After that, tap on Downloads. Now you can choose on my iPhone or iPad to save the downloaded files locally on your device. And if you want to save the downloaded files to other locations, tap on the Other option and then choose the preferred folder where you want to save the files, and that's all there is to it. So that's how you can easily change the download location in Safari on your iPhone or iPad depending on your needs. If you found this video helpful, do like and share it, and I'll see you in the next video with more such handy tips and tricks. Till then, stay safe and have a great time. Bye.